Hi, my name is Michael. I'm here at our stand at InfoComm 2026 for Alfatron Electronics. I'd like to share with you some new products in our new up-and-coming control line of products that we are releasing and announcing here at InfoComm 2026. So the first unit is our IP8. This will be a 8-button wall control panel featuring serial ports, network control, IR ports, some relays, some GPIOs, and you can customize your layout buttons and select different images and pictures to include into the buttons. The units all come with a metal front casing that's magnetically clipped onto the back of the unit. In addition, we will also have the new EKP-8E. That is our new e-ink controller as well. So again, an 8-button controller and featuring also then the e-ink display, which you can update from the software. So both these units have the same amount of peripherals and inputs connection ports, and both these units will feature our new control system software that is in development for these products. In addition, later in the product line, there will also be a 10.1-inch touch panel as well as a controller for the touch panel that will come in addition to these two products within the control system product line. So thank you for joining us, and for more information visit us at our website at www.alfatronelectronics.com.